Give him a play, pressed him. This is Get Back, man. Put your hand down. He got his peoples with him. I'm 12. Let's talk about it. What's good, Street Fam, man? It's your boy Street Smarts. Look, man, we got another one. Look, we got the Young Thug case, man. The judge gets kicked off the case, man. Yeah, man. Because you too emotional. You too emotional. You feel me? You look like you had it out for King Slime. I ain't gonna lie to you. You feel me? Look, man, we gonna get into this little breaking news, man. Let me know what y'all think about this.
Welcome back to Law and Crime. This just in for Young Thug racketeering case. We have got a decision by a judge outside of that of Judge Glanville that he is now recused. I have literally just gone over the motion now, and I'm going to go over it with you myself bit by bit. Starting first with the finding of facts. We all know what the facts were. There was an ex parte, meaning one of the parties, that being all of the defense attorneys, were not present for this meeting with Kenneth Copeland. Judge Glanville, along with the prosecution and Kenneth Copeland's attorney, had this in-chambers meeting talking about him pleading the fifth for about 2 to, let's say, 4 pages. So about four.
So on top, why y'all having meetings? Why y'all having meetings? Why y'all having secret meetings? You feel me? Why the defense attorney's not in there? Listening to this whole meeting that y'all having. You feel me? And then for the judge, how the judge get mad? Cause Thug lawyer called it out. How you gonna get mad? How you get mad cause you guilty? And you don't think I know the law. But boy, I know the law. Boy, I know the law. I'm one of the best lawyers in Atlanta. Boy, I know the law. I'm one of the best lawyers. And you seen when you try to kick me off the case, and you seen how many lawyers came to my defense, boy. What's wrong with you? Bro, you shady. There's something shady about you, bro.
Or so pages, just the facts as we remember them. This meeting happened. Glanville went back and forth deciding, is this person going to testify? You cannot plead the fifth.
Why you ain't got no shirt on up under your robe? Freaky ass boy, what's wrong with him, man?
The prosecution, as we saw the transcripts that were later released, kept pressing, you've got immunity. You cannot be prosecuted for this in any way, shape, or form, and that means you have to testify. Ultimately, that meeting was not expressed in detail to the defense until Brian Steele, the defense attorney for Young Thug, raised this issue. Following that, multiple defense attorneys filed motions for recusal. Now, moving on from the facts, going to the law. The legal framework for what a recusal requires. There are 3 criteria that needs to happen. Those being, the motion needs to be timely, needs to be supported by an affidavit, and the facts alleged need to show that a recusal might be warranted. Now, to the first 2 parts, Judge Glanville himself said that this is timely. When the defense found an issue, they brought it up. The second part, he said that there was an affidavit that was filed. Good. But the reason why Judge Glanville himself said that he's denying the recusal is because he argued that the facts alleged did not warrant a recusal, that they did not meet that threshold. However, he ultimately passed this case on to another judge, and this is the judge's analysis and discussion. It's just a quick, I wouldn't even.
Yeah. You know why? You know why I don't meet this, the criteria? Because it's about you. That's why I don't meet it. If this wasn't about you, it would have been met for sure. But it's about you. So of course, yeah, we have 2 out of the 3. Like, come on, man. You bro. You dirty, judge, bro. You dirty, bro.
And call it 2 pages. I'd call it a page and a half, if that. And the judge does start off by saying, as previously announced on the record, this motion was timely and supported by an affidavit. Already got that. But moving on to the next part, the court kind of pauses and says, you know what, it's worth noting, and I'm just quoting here, that this court agrees generally with Judge Glanville's assessment of the propriety of the meeting, that ex parte meeting, saying, okay, that's okay to happen. While the meeting could have and perhaps should have taken place in open court, kind of giving that option there, nothing about the fact of this meeting or substance discussed was inherently improper. However, and this is the big however, in his order denying defendant Kendrick's motion and in the process of making a record on July 1st, Judge Glanville added facts, provided context, questioned the veracity of the allegations, and otherwise explained his decisions and actions and argued why those actions were proper. Just going to keep going through here. While, and I'm quoting here, may be appropriate for judges to disclose information relevant to his potential recusal, such a disclosure must be made in a way that is objective, dispassionate, and non-argumentative as possible. Said that,
Man, and you've been all of that. You've been argumentative. You've been passionate. You've been biased. Bro, get your ass off this case. No, you in the wrong.
the judge is not reasonably perceived as a hostile witness or advocate.
You been hostile. You hostile. You hostile as hell. You been hostile for all these days, man. It's been 100 days in court, man. You hostile every one of them. You hostile in every court date, man. You barely want to listen to Brian Steele, man.
As we saw in Judge Glanville's recitation of why he was not recusing himself, he was, let's just say he was definitely a little hostile. In presenting this record as to the recusal issues and in ruling on Kendrick's motions, Judge Glanville, quote, evaluated and accepted the truth of his own factual allegations mandating his recusal. What that basically means in English, he played both witness, judge, and jury in deciding the veracity and the truthfulness of his own allegations. A judge cannot do that. That's what this...
Come on, man. Chill out. How you playing witness, judge, and jury? How you doing all of that? Bro, you just a judge, bro. You can't be a witness and a jury too, bro. Get your ass off this case, man.
The Honorable Judge Rachel Krause, who was given this case to decide the recusal, ultimately decides. They continue by saying that this court has no doubt that Judge Glanville can and would continue presiding fairly over this matter if the recusal motions were denied, but, and going on to quote here, the necessity of preserving the public's confidence in the judicial system weighs in favor of excusing Judge Glanville from further handling of this case. And this
Get your ass out of here.
is the decision. Based on the foregoing, this court hereby orders the following. 1. Defendant DeMonte Kendrick's motion for recusal of the Chief Judge Urville is granted. 2. Caleb Bumpus' motion to quash the show cause order
Man, free the slime.
or for the recusal of Judge Glanville is denied as moot meaning that it's no longer an issue, and that the defendant Jeffrey Williams' motion to disqualify or recuse Judge Glanville for all further dealings in the above referenced case as amended and supplemented.
My nigga King Slime said, hey man, get dog up off this case. Nigga. That's what King Slime said, man. Get him off this case when we wipe his nose. For real, boy. And you better watch your back getting up in that car in the morning, boy. For real. Nigga. Yeah. King Slime on your ass, boy.
Is granted. The court clerk shall reassign this case using the court's case assignment procedures. This is the order of the judge as of the 15th of July for the year of 2024.
And straight like that, nigga. Straight like that. You off. Because you too emotional and you can't be on this case. You too emotional. You don't know how to just hand down the law. Go by the book. They bring up court cases. You want to bring up your own court cases. Why are you trying to defend? If it's wrong, man. What you trying to defend? It's my problem with y'all, man.
That is today. What that basically means is Judge Glanville is no longer the judge in the Young Thug RICO case for any of the defendants. It will go back to the court clerks to reassign this case. This is the breaking news coming out of the Young Thug case in Georgia.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Free the slime, man. I don't want nobody to go to jail for life, man. Free the slime, man. Y'all can say what y'all want to, man. Free the slime. You feel me? Get up off this case, man. Cause you sabotaging our case, man. You sabotaging it, man. And you the judge. Get up out of here. That's what we doing. Get up out of here. Look, man, it's your boy Street Smarts. Look, man, like, comment, subscribe. Share this with everybody. Send this to all your friends, man. We chasing them numbers, man. You feel me? Tell me what y'all think about the case, man. I know all y'all been watching the case, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. Do y'all like this decision? You feel me? You know? And what y'all think the new judge gonna do? Y'all think Young Thug gonna have a better chance with the new judge? She is a woman. You know what I mean? Women do be a little lenient. You feel me? She is black. Hey, something in our favor right now, man. You feel me? Yeah, man, it's your boy Street Smarts, man. We gonna get with you.